Lawyers are indeed the future. With what they have at their disposal today, they are better informed, better educated, and they can better synergize for the integration of West Africa. The entire hub of West Africa is a major economic hub on its own. The respective countries, individual countries, cannot compete effectively. But when we work together as a hub, as a bloc, we can compete more favorably with other regions, with the EU and, the other economic blocs like that. So what the young lawyers are doing currently is to prepare themselves, get aware and prepare themselves and begin to see West Africa as the entire constituency upon which they build their knowledge and that they are prepared to go into the world on that stage. It is important that the barriers, the boundaries that we have are largely artificial. So the more we're able to collapse boundaries to function as an economic trading bloc, which is facilitated by African Continental Free Trade Act, the better way we prepare ourselves for global competition. So the young boys, our young colleagues are catching on to the bug early enough, and as they continue to mature, they are the ones who continue to propagate the concept of the continuous hegemony in the West African sub-region.
Legal reforms, it's like a sing-song for Nigeria in the past weeks and months and years as it is. Young lawyers, how should they buy into this concept?
Well, these are the people who will tomorrow make the laws, either in houses of parliaments, or there will be judges, or there will be lawyers who will be advocating interpretation and direction for which the laws will take. So now that their understanding and their worldview is such that they can embrace all of these things, it puts us on a better pedestal. So that forms the basis, the bedrock upon which they're able to advocate for the change. And this change is on this front, the reform which we are all clamoring for. So if they are better prepared with the education and information that they have now and the interaction they have across countries, they are better prepared for the reforms. The world is continually evolving across other regions, other continents of the world. We can't afford to stay back and continue to recede while the world is moving forward. So it's important that they're understanding it now. You don't have to wait until you're very old or out there before you understand the need for this cohesion, for this global cohesion. So they are quite on track.